Welcome to this tutorial on using the AreaFill feature in iScaf 11. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to quickly generate multiple rows of scaffold or columns in just a few clicks. This feature is very useful for saving time if you need to generate a large birdcage, dance floor or grid scaffold. For the purpose of this demo, let's call it a birdcage scaffold. In this example, we're actually going to draw a rectangle to represent the boundary of our birdcage scaffold. We will draw a building structure 15 metres long by 12 metres wide. So we just enter those dimensions in millimetres. Press C to close the structure. So once we have our structure, we can go to Build, then AreaFill. We can specify a number of parameters here, including the dimensions of our scaffold. We can specify the area and create a rectangle to follow the structure we've just drawn. Start point and end point. In this example with layer scaffold, we'll select 2.57 metres for the columns and also 2.57 metres for the rows. Then click OK and the array of scaffold is automatically generated. We can easily edit our array by going back to the menu on the ribbon and selecting AreaEdit. We select the nearest bay where we want to perform the operation. And then we can choose to add a row. Just like that. We can also press the spacebar to repeat the last option and perform other types of edits. Click on the bay again, and we can choose to replace a row with a different bay length or width. We can also move using the Edit Wall function. And this structure is considered one wall, so select base point then end point to move. And we can add a column here. So go back to Build, AreaEdit again. Select a bay and we can add a column anywhere we like. And we can move all the bays to the right. Press the spacebar again, and we could choose to delete a single bay if we wanted to. So there's the option of row, column, or single bay. Another method of generating the structure is to use the rectangle command in CAD. This can be a little bit more automated and we can stretch the rectangle to any distance that we want. In this case, we can see the dimensions are actually changing and we can choose the dimensions just by stretching the rectangle. That's pretty close to being the 12 metres by 15 metres we wanted for this building structure, so we just click a second time. Go back to Build on the ribbon. Click AreaFill, and this time we'll specify 2.07 metres by 2.07 metres. And then click on Select Circle Polyline, click on the actual rectangle, and then click OK, and the scaffold is generated. You can also use CAD to draw a circle, or you can use iScaf's Make Tank option. Just click on the icon and specify the radius of a tank. So we'll specify a radius of 10 metres. Click OK. Click on the circle. Click on the centre of the circle and the circle will appear. If we go back to Build and AreaFill again to draw our initial array of scaffold, we can specify any dimensions we want, just like before. And then this time click on Select Circle Polyline, and then click on the circle. And we can choose the inside, outside, and generate the array of scaffold. So have a play around with the new features in iScaf 11, AreaFill and AreaEdit. Of course, next we save our work. And then we can build to 3D. So right-click to build. And then view in 3D. So we haven't finished editing this, but we could now continue editing the plan and adding more handrails, bracing, and any other accessories required during the plan design stage. You can also check out our other iScaf tutorials or contact the team for more details.